Right, well this is just introducing the Kombi restoration project that we're going to attempt. I've got a 1979 Volkswagen Kombi camper van. We've owned it for about 15 years. Got it when the kids were about 4 and 6 or even less, and they're now grown women, both of them. And so we've had it for about 15 years, and gradually over that time it's been starting to rust. And every year we say, oh, do you know what, we should get it done up. And I've taken it round to a few Kombi places, and the cost is like anywhere from $25,000 to $35,000 to do it up completely. And we just don't really want to spend that much money on it, because to us it's just our old Kombi. It's not really a collector's piece, and I know that some people think it is, but for us it's just our old Kombi, so it's not worth that money. So it's coronavirus, it's lockdown, so I'm going to try and do it myself, which is laughable because I've never done anything with cars before. I like doing woodwork, but I've never done anything with metal, and I'm going to have to learn all of these skills from YouTube and by trial and error. But I'm up for it. It's our dear old Kombi. Let's see what we can do. So you can see here that it's actually in pretty good nick. If you look at a lot of the paintwork here, it's actually okay. I mean, it's dirty, but around the windows, it's got the classic rusting around the windows. It's got the rust under here by the seals. It's got rust down here. It's got rust in the usual place. It's rust along here. It needs to be fixed up. Needs to be cleaned up in there. There's some holes starting to appear around the place, but mostly it's in pretty good condition. But it just needs some love. It needs a bit of TLC, and so all of this rust, up here needs to be taken away. The windows need to come out. It all needs to happen. So there's quite a lot of small amounts of work, but I'm lucky because most of it actually is pretty good. If we come around the side, one of the harder bits is this bit here, where along the sliding door here it's got quite a lot of rust. It's got some nasty holes in. I've got a nasty feeling this is one of the bits I'll need to cut out and weld, but we're going to come to that later in the project. And you can see that I've done a few bits already. So I've just while I've been working out what to do, I've had a crack at the air intake grill here. So I've taken the cover off the sliding door rail, and I've done this end of it, but to do this end I need to actually take the door off. But I've been getting a feel for, and down here I've got a bit just on the rear, on the wheel rim. So I've just been getting a hang of how much effort there is in actually getting down to bare metal where you have surface rust. It's actually not too bad. It's time consuming, but it's quite doable. And so this is now my project. I need to work out somehow how to do this entire Kombi in my back garden with no skill.